Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up your ACER Chromebook 315. Before we begin, let's set up the system language and the keyboard language for our Chromebook. To do so, click right here, then select the language from the list, the one that you need, and then also select the appropriate keyboard language. Then tap OK, and then tap Get Started. After that, select the Wi-Fi network that you want to connect to and provide a password to it. Then tap Connect. Then wait for a moment. And if your device had any updates prepared, then your Chromebook would have installed all these updates. As you can see, in my case, my device is fully up to date. So once you update your device, or once your device checked if your laptop is up to date, click Next. Then select your usage type of the Chromebook. So if this laptop is your property, then either choose for personal use or for a child if you set it up for a child. And if it's a property of your organization, then select the last option, which is for work or school. In my case, I'm gonna select for personal use, then tap Next. And right now the Chromebook will proceed to install the latest update. It's gonna take some time. Or you can skip this process and then get reminded later. After some time you will see this icon right here. So if you want to install the update now, you are free to just leave your PC charging and return once the update is complete. Otherwise, just click skip and remind me later, and then return back to your laptop. Tap Next, and then you're gonna have to sign into your Google account. Provide an email or phone number for your Google account. Then wait for a while, and then enter your password. Tap Enter. Okay, something went wrong. Let's try once again. Oh no, it was just a lag. Okay, and so right now we are in the system. So let's wait for Google Play Apps and Services to appear on the screen. Now we are gonna have to read the Google Play Apps and Services policy, and then if you want to back up your device to Google Drive, which is, I think, rather needed when you're using a Chromebook, then check this checkbox or just leave it checked like this. Now tap More, and if you want your device to use your location for location services like news, weather, directions, etc., leave this checkbox checked too. And then tap Accept and wait until Google Play is set up. And after a quick moment, you'll be able to start using your brand new Chromebook. Just be aware that if you skip the update part, just like I did, you're gonna have to wait for a while until all the features start working properly on your PC, because right now they will have to take some time to start. And after the update, everything will be working as it's supposed to. you can find the update information in About Chrome OS section at the very bottom of your settings list as a settings sidebar, and here you can check the current progress of updating your device. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.